welcome to the first episode of SCWPro at Home in 2024. It is great to be back with you, and today we are going to look at a feud that defines 2023 in SCWPro. I'm talking about JT Energy and the Devil Dog Dustin Mosley feuding for the SCWPro Championship. The Devil Dog won the Prestige Rumble in 2023. JT Energy became SCWPro Champion that same night. And we're going to start with their clash at Epic.
Your opening contest is for the SCWPro Heavyweight Championship. Introducing first, in the corner to my left, the challenger. He is the 2023 Prestige Rumble winner from Paris Island, South Carolina! This is the Devil Dog, and you're watching SCWPro at home.
On Saturday, February 3rd, Video Games Etc. and the MLW Confusion Podcast present Hawkamania 36, Love Will Tear Us Apart, live from Wildwood in Iowa City. Don't miss our first event following the conclusion of the Prestige Rumble. The landscape of SCWPro has surely changed, and you'll want to see where things are headed. It's always a party in Iowa City, so grab your best friends and head on out to the Wildwood Saloon on Saturday, February 3rd for Hawkamania 36, Love Will Tear Us Apart. Bell time is 7 p.m. and tickets are just $10. Reserve your table at www.wildwoodsaloon.com now. Nothing beats the combination of cold beer, hot food, and the hard-hitting, high-flying action of SCWPro, so you better be.
On the last episode of SCWPro at Home, you saw highlights of the triple threat match from our 20th anniversary as JT Energy defended the SCWPro Championship against Dustin Mosley and Joesa. However, on this episode of SCWPro at Home, you're going to watch that match in its entirety. Let's send it to the ring.
But right now, it is time for your main event of the evening. The following contest is a triple threat match for the SCWPro Championship.
Devil Dog to the floor. Mosley back inside. Right, if you're safe here, do you try to go for a quick victory here?
Absolutely. You don't want to stay in here any longer than you have to.
Keep in mind, triple threat rules. The champion does not have to be paid to lose the title.
Another reason to wait quickly, you never know where that third man is lurking, waiting to break up a pin.
Gotta keep the head on the swivel at all times. Especially with a guy like Joesa.
Case in point. Shoulder first off the steel.
Joesa calls himself the Godfather for a reason. He's gonna do whatever it takes to win.
Joesa going over Dustin Mosley into the corner, into that steel turnbuckle.
Joesa putting a bad mouth on the Devil Dog. Joesa is someone who's not going to be intimidated by anyone.
Drop kicking off the top rope.
Joesa showing off some of that amazing athleticism he has.
Those box jumps paying off. What a vertical leap.
Now you can tell there aren't too many people that work harder in the gym than Joesa does.
37 abs. What is he thinking? Is he going for a pile driver?
You're gonna try to power driver here?
That wouldn't just end the match, that might end his career.
Oh no. Oh, Devil Dog gets out of it, thankfully. Oh, wait a minute. Moses got it up.
That's not the fireman's carry.
Death Valley driver on the steel support beam with the wind apron.
That was all spine.
That will give you a really bad chiropractic adjustment.
Dustin Mosley showing the devil part of his name.
Champion outlet. Oh! JT off with a double axe handle. JT having to throw them both back into the ring here.
Maybe thinking about keeping them both where he can keep an eye on them both. Jabs to both men.
Oh, JT goes to work and showing off the moves. Oh!
Took a little too long.
No flip, flop, and fly. Spikes him right down. Now you can tell we're not going to get any kind of partnership between Joesa and Devil Dog.
At the end of the day, it's every man for himself. Every man in that match wants to walk away with the SCWPro Championship.
Not only do you got three guys that are running the champion, I'm just going to say, you got three big egos in there.
JT Energy with the big splashes.
JT going back and forth here. Another JT just stick and move. JC gonna look for a pedigree again.
Joyce doing a good job. Oh! Foot under the jaw.
Spinebuster.
Foot under the upper. Covers Joyce up. January 20th, at the Prestige Rumble, at the Bluegrass Community Center, I will win and punch my ticket to Epic for the SCWPro Championship.
Yeah! The Prestige Rumble is coming! January 20th! At the Bluegrass Community Center, yo! Mira, escucha, escucha, yo! I am going to win the Prestige Rumble, become the #1 contender, and go win the SCWPro Heavyweight Championship and mucho gold para mí. So ándale, arriba hacia la acera, yo voy a ganar. I suffer from bizarre dreams and epic nightmares. And January 20th, at the Bluegrass Community Center, I, the Shadow Alpha, Augustus Draven, will win the Prestige Rumble and go on to challenge for the SCWPro title in only the epic fashion Augustus Draven can do.
On Saturday, January 20th, Video Games Etc. and the MLW Confusion Podcast present one of our biggest events of the year, the Prestige Rumble, live from the Bluegrass Community Center in Bluegrass, Iowa. 20 athletes will battle it out in an over-the-top rope battle royal to determine the new #1 contender to the SCWPro Championship. With so much on the line, the Prestige Rumble is always a night with shocking twists and surprising returns. It's the Prestige Rumble, presented by Video Games Etc. and the MLW Confusion Podcast, live from the Bluegrass Community Center in Bluegrass, Iowa on Saturday, January 20th. Bell time is 7 p.m. and tickets are only $10, so you better be there.
Finally, on this episode, we are going to find out how JT Energy maneuvered his way back to becoming the #1 contender for the SCWPro Championship. A match he will get on January 20th at the Bluegrass Community Center in Bluegrass, Iowa at Prestige 2024. Let's see those highlights and find out how the feline phenom became #1 contender once again.